A hard reset involves completely powering down your HP docking station to clear temporary memory and restore default settings. This helps resolve issues like unresponsive ports, audio-video glitches, or charging failures. Think of it as a reboot for your dock, bypassing software issues. This is different from a soft reset done via software and should be done before trying to reinstall drivers. HP docking stations can experience various issues that disrupt their functionality. Common problems include connectivity drops, where devices fail to connect properly, power problems that prevent charging or proper power delivery, and software glitches that cause unexpected behavior. A hard reset serves as a simple first step to address these issues and restore normal operation. This is particularly effective after firmware updates or when dealing with driver conflicts, especially in operating systems like macOS Sonoma, where compatibility issues can occur. According to HP user feedback surveys, performing a hard reset can resolve up to 22% of docking station issues. To perform a standard hard reset, first disconnect the docking station from both the power source and your laptop. Next, wait for 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the internal components to fully discharge. Finally, reconnect the power cable to the docking station, then reconnect the dock to your laptop and power it on. Some HP docking stations, especially newer models, have a dedicated reset button, usually located on the underside. First, disconnect the dock from power and your laptop. Next, locate the reset button on the underside of the dock. While the dock is unplugged, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, reconnect the power and laptop and power on the dock. After performing a hard reset on your HP docking station, begin by testing its functionality. Start with the most commonly used ports to verify everything is working correctly. First, check all USB ports by connecting various USB devices like a mouse, keyboard, or flash drive. Ensure they are recognized and function properly. Next, test the Ethernet port by connecting a network cable. Check if your laptop establishes an internet connection through the dock. Then, verify video ports by connecting monitors or displays. Check different resolutions and refresh rates to ensure proper output. If any issues persist after testing the ports, ensure your laptop properly recognizes the docking station. Check Device Manager to confirm the dock appears without errors. Finally, update or reinstall the docking station drivers. Visit the HP support website and download the latest drivers specifically for your operating system and dock model. Always avoid performing a hard reset while data is being transferred to prevent data corruption. Use grounded outlets to minimize electrical risks. If the issue persists after a hard reset and driver updates, consult HP's official support or user forums for further troubleshooting. Remember to check your dock's model-specific manual for any unique reset instructions. The future of docking stations is trending towards wireless connectivity and AI-driven diagnostics. Newer HP models feature Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless device pairing, reducing cable clutter. AI integration, like in HP Wolf Security, can predict potential failures, potentially reducing the need for manual resets. By 2028, fully wireless docks with inductive charging are expected. A common issue with the HP Thunderbolt Dock G4 is connectivity drops. A hard reset often resolves this, restoring full functionality, including 8K video output. HP's support logs indicate this as a top fix for about 40% of reported issues with this model. This highlights the practical effectiveness of a simple hard reset.